world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Already have my stuff packed out for Friday, but that is not what we are looking at today. Today we're doing a quick unboxing. I got something awesome. Okay, the value of our knives are in their sharpness. Pickled steel, and then we see all of the pickled steel info on there. Now, this thing was announced on a few sites, but look at this beautiful box. Inside the box we get this, and it is called the Blizzard. Let me put that away. Cleaning cloth and tool. And this is what this looks like. Titanium, smooth as silk, and beautifully heat anodized. Okay, this is just unboxing and first look. There's not even a fingerprint on it yet. We have a flipper and thumb studs. We have some jimping. Oh, let's do that again. Oh, the action is quite impressive. The sound is fantastic. Let's do it. Nice. Okay, we have this beautiful, let me just wipe it. This beautiful long clip blade with a swedge, flat ground blade, thumb studs, flipper tab. Yes, the titanium on this thing is just something fantastic. This is definitely a grail-worthy knife. We have a big lanyard hull at the bottom. We have a beautiful titanium backspacer over there, open construction. There is weight relief, do you see that inside? Beautiful titanium pocket clip, mold, and awesome. Okay, it's not a huge knife, but it does have a 4-finger grip, jimping in the right spot right there. Beautiful choil over here. This thing is marvelous. Okay, we see Pickled Steel's logo over there. On the other side we see M390. Super materials. Super looking, super feeling knife. Oh my goodness. Okay, this thing is fantastic. The Blizzard by Pickled Steel. We will be doing a whole video on this thing in a little bit, but now it needs to go into my pocket. Okay, all of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.